Mini crafting is an engaging way to utilize scrap and reclaimed wood, transforming what might be considered waste into beautiful, functional items. This approach not only promotes sustainability, but also sparks creativity. As we delve into various projects, you'll discover how each piece of wood can tell a story and serve a purpose. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, these mini projects can help you hone your skills while making something unique for your home or as gifts for others. Reclaimed wood is not just eco-friendly. It carries a history and character that new wood often lacks. Using materials salvaged from old buildings, furniture, or pallets means you're giving new life to what might otherwise end up in a landfill. Each piece of reclaimed wood has its own unique grain, color, and texture, which can add depth and charm to your mini projects. Embracing reclaimed wood in crafting encourages a deeper appreciation for materials that have stood the test of time. Before diving into your mini crafting journey, it's essential to gather the right tools. Basic tools like a saw, sandpaper, wood glue, and a paintbrush are often sufficient for many projects. For more intricate designs, consider investing in a rotary tool or a wood burner for added detail. The right tools can enhance the crafting experience, making it easier to shape and finish your projects. Organizing your workspace will also contribute to a more enjoyable crafting session. One of the simplest and most rewarding projects is creating mini wooden planters. Using small scraps of wood, you can build charming little boxes to house succulents or herbs. These planters can be painted, stained, or left natural to suit your aesthetic. Not only do they make lovely decorations for windowsills or desks, but they also encourage gardening, even in small spaces. This project is perfect for beginners, offering instant gratification as you watch your plants thrive. Transforming scrap wood into decorative coasters is another excellent mini project. By cutting pieces into uniform squares or circles and sanding them down, you can create functional art for your coffee table. Consider experimenting with different finishes, such as staining or painting, and even adding designs using wood-burning tools. Coasters can be personalized with initials, patterns, or quotes, making them thoughtful gifts or a way to showcase your style. Creating mini picture frames from reclaimed wood allows you to showcase cherished memories while practicing your woodworking skills. By cutting and assembling small pieces of wood, you can design frames in various shapes and sizes. This project is not only a great way to recycle wood, but also an opportunity to get creative with decoration. You can leave the frames natural, paint them, or even decoupage them with decorative paper or fabric to match your decor. A functional and stylish addition to your home. Wooden key holders can be crafted from leftover wood scraps. By cutting a small piece of wood and adding hooks or pegs, you can create a practical item that helps keep your keys organized. Personalize it with paint or wood stain, and consider adding a shelf for mail or small items. This project is not only useful, but also enhances your entryway with a touch of rustic charm. Building a mini birdhouse from reclaimed wood is a delightful project that benefits both you and local wildlife. These charming structures provide shelter for birds and can be customized in various styles and colors. Whether you opt for a traditional design or something more whimsical, birdhouses can add character to your garden or balcony. This project is especially rewarding as you can enjoy the presence of birds visiting your creation. Consider personalizing each toy with bright colors or designs, making them special keepsakes for the children in your life. These candle holders can be used for special occasions or as everyday decor, adding a touch of rustic charm to your home. Creating mini shelves from reclaimed wood is a practical and stylish way to utilize small pieces. These shelves can be mounted in various places, like bathrooms, kitchens, or living rooms, to hold small items, books, or decorative pieces. The design possibilities are endless, from simple floating shelves to more intricate designs with brackets. This project not only showcases your craftsmanship, but also helps declutter your space. Transforming scrap wood into wall art allows for endless creativity. By piecing together various shapes and sizes of wood, you can create stunning mosaics or abstract designs. paint, stain, or leave the wood natural to achieve the desired look. This project is an excellent way to express your creativity and make a statement piece for your home. Plus, it encourages you to think outside the box and use materials in innovative ways. A mini tool caddy crafted from scrap wood is both functional and charming. This project is perfect for organizing small tools, craft supplies, or even kitchen utensils. By designing a simple box with a handle, you can create a portable storage solution that keeps your essentials within reach. Crafting a jewelry organizer from reclaimed wood is a fantastic way to keep your accessories untangled and easily accessible. Simple designs can include small trays or boxes with compartments for rings, earrings, and necklaces. You can embellish the organizer with paint, stencils, or wood burning for a personal touch. This project not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds a beautiful, handmade item to your vanity or dresser. Creating miniature furniture pieces from scrap wood can be a delightful challenge. Whether it's a tiny chair, table, or bookshelf, this project allows you to explore woodworking techniques on a smaller scale. These miniatures can serve as decor for dollhouses or as unique display items. Crafting wooden magnets is a fun and easy mini project that makes great gifts. By cutting small shapes from scrap wood and attaching magnets to the back, you can create unique and personalized magnets for your fridge. Paint them with bright colors or add fun designs to make them stand out. This project is a perfect way to use small scraps while adding a personal touch to your kitchen. Engaging in mini crafting with scrap and reclaimed wood not only nurtures creativity, but also promotes sustainability. By repurposing materials, you contribute to a more eco-friendly lifestyle while reducing waste. Each project serves as a reminder of the beauty of imperfection and the stories held within each piece of wood. As you embark on these crafting adventures, you'll find joy in both the process and the final product.